Hey guys, welcome back to another tech tip and guide video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can delete your POF account, aka Plenty of Fish account, permanently. To delete your Plenty of Fish account, you can do this on any device. It doesn't matter whether you're on a mobile device or PC. The method is same. So what you're gonna do is go to any web browser and in the web address bar type in pof.com and tap go. Then log into your account. Now once you've logged into your account, scroll all the way down and there you can see an option named Help Center. Tap on it. Then it will take you to this page where the first option is Profile and Account. So tap on View Topic. Now scroll down and under the Accounts option, you can see 4 options. Among them, the first option is removing your Plenty of Fish account. So tap on it. Now scroll down and on the last line of the second paragraph, you can see a link where it says click here. So simply tap on there. Now on the bottom left of the screen, you can see an option delete my account. So tap on it. And now you have to enter your username, password, and the reason why you're leaving. And if you met someone, what was their username, on how many dates you went, and would you recommend your Plenty of Fish. So fill in all the details. Now once you fill up the form, tap delete my Plenty of Fish account. I couldn't delete my account because to delete an account, you must have your account for a minimum of 24 hours. But in your case, your account will be deleted as soon as you tap on the option. So that is it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, please make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more information and helpful videos like these.